find the Earth. Yeah, that's the sun. The glowing yellow thing. Where's the Earth? If you can't find it, it's right here. That little dot is the Earth. Now, the only reason why it's visible right now is because it's shining from the sun's light. So let's go into Earth. Here is Earth. So, as you can see, if you look at the sun is pretty small. You could demonstrate that better by landing on its surface. You see here, this is accurate. This is how big the sun would look without the shines and stuff. This is the sun. It's about the size of a pea. And we're on Earth, definitely. And the sun. So, now the sun is huge, obviously. But the reason why it's so small is because it's really far away. Now, also, there's the moon. It is also really small. That's because it's far away. And it's also really smaller. That's why. But most of the times, the solar system and classes and stuff, the planets are really close. And I know that to demonstrate all the planets, to show them, but they are not that close. Nothing is that close in space. You see, Mercury is here, Venus is here. That isn't close at all. Now, I guess we could get a planetary alignment, but I don't really know how to get this in this app. Here is as close as I could get. So, as you can see, Venus is in perfect size, and you could see it just right there. And you could barely see it because it's super far. So yeah, it feels. But let me test something. Even if Venus might be the same size as, well, Jupiter, let's just say Jupiter, yeah. And trying to see it from Mercury. Is it that one? I think. No, not that one. This Jupiter right here. Oh no, you can see that. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty. Venus and Mercury. If that was a gas giant over there, then it'd be really close and you could see it, just like a star. But since Venus is a lot smaller, you cannot see it that well. So yeah, even Earth, it's pretty far away from Venus too. Venus is not the closest planet to Earth because of orbits. Because you see here, when you speed up time, it goes further and further away from Earth, and that makes another planet closer. You see, over here it's on the other side of the solar system now. Just over here. So you cannot see Jupiter from here, I don't think. And they kinda can, but not as much. Because guess what? It's really far. And you see here, the outer planets are really far. It's including Mars too. You see, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they are far. But you know what is further? You see this line? So elliptical? Well, guess what's that orbiting? Sedna. Sedna is the furthest kind of like thing that's not an asteroid or anything from the sun. Where's the sun? I can't even. Yeah, the sun is really small from here. It barely gets any light, that's why it's so dark. So, even all the solar system that you could draw or something, they'll probably all be in a straight line when them all will be scattered around because of orbits. You see, Venus will be here, except that Jupiter gets replaced it. The real Jupiter there. Yeah. It's all scattered around just random spots because of orbits. And also, these are not perfect circles, these orbits. These are a bit elliptical for the planets. But you see, like Pluto, Eris, Makemake, you can see that it's more elliptical and it's more noticeable. Especially Sedna. Oh my gosh, I wonder how Sedna ended up like that.